Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'll show you where I download music for my speed ramp edits, because this is one of the most common questions I receive on Instagram. Most of the music I use comes from Instagram, and now I'll show you exactly how I find it. Just a quick reminder that you can grab the 16 film shakes. I made them specifically so you don't have to waste time keyframing the same movements over and over. AM film shakes are perfect for speed ramp edits, cinematic edits, and more. The link is in the description if you need them. There are two easy ways to find music on Instagram. The first method is to tap the search icon and search for something like funk, then open the audio tab, where Instagram will show you a list of tracks you might like. For example, if I find a song I want to use later, I'll simply open it and tap the save icon to add it to my favorites. Now let me show you another method. Tap the Reels icon and switch the feed to Friends. This shows Reels from the people you follow. Whenever you come across a car edit with music you like, tap the track name at the bottom of the reel. Then tap Original Audio. From here you can save the audio directly, or tap the original track title to open the original sound before saving it. Now it's time to download the music. For this part, you'll need a PC. Log into Instagram on your computer and open your profile. Then click the Saved section and choose Audio. Here you'll find every track you saved from your phone. The only thing left to do is use an online downloader to download the audio, and you're ready to use it in your edits. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.